Please note that segments of this video have been accelerated for flow. Do not hesitate to use the pause controls of the video to follow at your own pace. Hello everyone, and welcome to this Opal RT online training course. In this video, we will go through how to download and install RT Lab, how to configure the network to add a target, connecting to a target, and license activation. To begin, use your web browser to go to opal-rt.com. Navigate to the support section and then the download center. You will be prompted to enter an email and password. If you are not yet registered, you can create an account, and once you log into our support section, you will have access to downloadable software, our knowledge base, and user documentation. In the download center, you will find the newest versions of RT Lab and HyperSim. Download RT Lab. The download should take a few minutes. Once the file is downloaded, extract it and run the Mega installer. The setup wizard opens, and once you click Next, you are prompted to accept the license agreement. After the license agreement, you are asked to select the installation type. We recommend that you proceed with the Complete option, as this includes Opal RT products and add-ons that you may require in the future. Or, depending on your license and space requirements, you may choose to proceed with a custom installation, where you do not have to select all the software options. You can always run the installer again and select the add-ons at that point that you wish to install. Select your destination folder. We recommend that you keep the default installation directory for ease of location and organization. Note that installing RT Lab on a server is not supported. Keep the Configure Firewall option checked, as RT Lab needs to allow some programs access through the Windows firewall, and then proceed with the installation. This process can take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, locate the RT Lab version you just installed and open RT Lab. RT Lab launches and asks you for your workspace. This workspace is where all your projects are saved. You may have multiple workspaces for each RT Lab version. We recommend that the different RT Lab versions you use each have separate workspaces to avoid potential conflicts. To check that all the toolboxes have been correctly installed, open MATLAB by clicking the MATLAB icon at the top of your RT Lab window. If you have several MATLAB versions installed, you can click the arrow to select your desired version. Once the window opens, type the command vir to list all the versions of the toolboxes installed in your MATLAB path. In our case, we can see RT Lab is listed, as well as Artemis, eFPGA Sim, RT Events, and other toolboxes. We have nothing to be concerned about in this case, as all our toolboxes are present. If you do not see RT Lab or any of the other toolboxes listed, knowledge base articles in the support section of our website will help you to install missing toolboxes in your RT Lab path. Next, we're going to show you how to connect your Opal RT simulator directly to your Windows host computer running RT Lab. In this video, our target IP address is 192.168.32.201. Note that the simulators are set with fixed IP addresses. Due to this, we also set a fixed IP address for the Windows machine to make a direct connection. The IP address of the Opal RT simulator is available in the system description document, and note that the simulator needs to be on. For more information on how to change target IP addresses, please consult our knowledge base. To start, we can open the Network and Sharing Center in the Control panels and navigate to the network connections by clicking Change Adapter Settings. If you have an Ethernet cable connected to your Windows machine, right-click the Ethernet adapter you will be using. Click Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, and open its properties. Now, we will modify the IP address of our host computer. We are going to retain the first 3 numbers of the simulator's IP address, while changing the last set of numbers. We will use 192.168.32.199 as our host IP address. We can leave the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. We then accept the changes that we have made. Next, we ensure we can ping the target via Windows. To do so, we open a command prompt window and ping our target by running the command ping 192.168.32.201. We can see we are getting the desired response. Now that we know that our host computer and the Opal RT target can communicate, we can return to RT Lab. In RT Lab, double-click Discover Targets, and we should find our target with the IP address that we just pinged. We can click Finish. We have just added a target to our project directory and Project Explorer. If we click the Software tab inside RT Lab, this populates a list of the RT Lab versions currently installed on the target. Then, simply click Install Current Version. This installs our current RT Lab version remotely on our target. Note that we can have multiple RT Lab versions installed on our target. We need to select the version we are using on our host PC to run our compiled model on our target. We have now successfully added an Opal RT target to our list of targets inside RT Lab. Next, we need to install the target license. To do this, click the License tab. This should populate a list of RT Lab features, their status, and description. Note that the license is usually installed at Opal RT before shipping the system, so you may simply need to check if the license is correct. To request a license, you can right-click the target and select the Request a License option. This opens a request form in which you can complete your details. Alternately, you can go to the Support Center on our website and request a license through the Technical Support form. If you already have a license file, you can activate your target by right-clicking it. Then, select the License option and click Install License, which prompts you to select the target license file. You do not need to unzip the license file. Please note that you do not need a license installed on your host computer to open RT Lab and use most RT Lab tools.